Glossy box came today. I haven't even opened it, as you can see, so we're going to see what's in it together. This was the Black Friday special edition box. There we go. Yes, it was the Black Friday limited edition box. That is full of goodies. The first thing we've got is a diamond gold dust sheet mask. That is from Vitamasks. The next is a beauty egg, and the company is Unicorn Cosmetics. Thirdly is this Mystic Black Novex. It's a hair mask. Say goodbye to frizz tangles and split ends thanks to this deeply conditioning hair mask. From Naughty, an intensive care leave-in conditioner. Next up we have got some hand cream from Super Duper. I think it's supposed to be Super Duper, isn't it? That's 100ml. Next up we have got, looks like a mini, maybe a mini, yeah, a deluxe mini. This is Foam Burst. If you haven't tried this, it's almost got the consistency of a shaving foam, but it's a body wash. They're really nice. I use these a lot. Next is Carmex Moisture Plus. That looks like it's tinted actually. Oh, it's a sheer tint, mauved up. I see. Nice shade for me as well. We have got some setting powder by the looks of it. Some transparent loose rice powder with matte effect. We have MUA Bronzed Shimmer Perfect. They're still doing these big pan bronzers. I've never actually used one, but this one, if you see where the all the pattern is, that's all glittery, so I suppose that's your shimmering effect. That looks nice, and that's talc free. And then the last thing we have is a Lacquer & Co Cloud Lips. So let me have a look. Oh, it's looks like a lip balm. That's the colour of that, which again, are the colours I wear anyway. So well happy with that. So that is the Glossy box, Black Friday edition box. To what I brought from Superdrug now. Here's the box. I think it was, if you spent over £12 on Revolution, you got a mystery bag free, which I've always got a load of mystery bags, so I ended up getting 2 of these because I had 2 separate orders. I'll show you what's in the mystery bag in a second. The first thing I had was the new Pooch, Revo Poochies, I think it's called. Are they? Yeah, Revo Poochies. This is from High Art Revolution. I picked that up, and then I picked another palette up, which I've actually wrapped up for somebody, so I can't tell you what it is. And then I picked this up. Now I saw a lady on YouTube doing a beautiful eye look the other day with this, and so I thought I'd give it a go, because these, you know, are like pinks. But this is a blush palette. It would have been £12 on its own, which I think is quite steep for a blusher palette, especially that size. So that was for my 3, and that come to 20. It was supposed to be 32, so it was £22. So I got a free mystery bag, and then I had these, which are the highlighters. I had the Goddess of Love. Oh, sorry, Goddess of Faith. Make your mind up, which one is it? Oh, it's Goddess of Faith. Then I had the Unicorn Heart. I've not opened these yet, so I can't show them yet. Then I had the Mermaid Heart. I know I've got the Angel Hearts in my collection anyway, so I was just topping up because I think there was only about £2.50, which is half price, but you still got a 3 for 2 as well, and then you still got the added bonus of having the mystery bag. You're winning all the way there, aren't you? So then I had this one is Girl's Best Friend. These are all highlighters. Champagne and Diamonds. And Princess Cut as well. So I had the 6 of those. Then I had, like I ain't got enough, I had some single eyeshadows. These are the glitter ones, the Revolution Pro. There was that one. And that one. I'm wondering whether it was spend over £20 actually. That sounds more like it because of the amount of things I've got. It must have been spend over £20 to get the free makeup mystery bag. So it must have been that because I've got a lot of stuff here then. And then I had a glitter gel. This one is in Just a Fantasy and it's the glitter paste. These are both the same, so I'll just show you the one. So this is your free mystery bag, gift bag, whatever. It's During the Revolution gift bag, Rev number 4. So we have a shimmer brick palette. Then we have a smoky eye, which is the Iconic Smoky, I think it is, yeah, the Iconic Smoky, which that are the colours in there. I've got quite a few of these already. I'm probably going to be doing a giveaway as I'm getting more subscribers. I'll do a giveaway at a certain point if I ever get there. Then we had the matte lip kit. This includes a lip liner and a liquid lip. And then lastly, we had the highlighter drops. These were in rose gold this time. So I think they always put these in the giveaways anyway, the mystery bags. I've got quite a few of these as well. So I've got 2 lots of those. Oh, I haven't even forgot one. I've got another lip liner here as well, which is, this was in the bag as well. This is a Renaissance lip liner and it is in the colour Untouched. So that's the sort of colour. So these are very nice, they're very creamy. I do use them a lot. My Superdrug haul. Next is Beauty Bay. We like Beauty Bay. This is a bit fatter actually. I hope everything's in here. Actually, I need to take a photo of this. So everything's in my package, everything's fine. So I'm going to show you what I brought. I spent £101.67. First thing out of the box is a Jeffree Star lipstick. It's a velour lip. I had Androgyny. Anybody who follows Jeffree Star or watches his videos knows his packaging are second to none. It's beautiful. This is the colour here of the Androgyny. Next up is, that one was £13.60. Obviously everything's cut price because of Black Friday sale. Next up is a Revolution matte base. I thought I'd try a slightly darker foundation because you know what I'm like with my shades. I can never get the right shade. And this was £3.50, I presume. Yes, £3.50 instead of a £5. Next up is another Revolution product which I use this quite often, is the the Renaissance Flick Liner. This was £3.50 instead of £5, so I picked one of them up. And now onto some palettes. Like I haven't got enough. There we go. I'll just put that box over there, shall we? Now I haven't opened none of these, as you can see. So the first thing, I've had mainly BH Cosmetics this time because I haven't tried them before. So this one, whoops, this one is the Galaxy Chic. It was £12.57 for 18 shades. They was a bit dearer than Revolution, but these was like, I think that was half price or something. And look at these. Oh wow. That are the shades. Beautiful. I'm not going to swatch them. I'm just going to look at them as normal. This one is called Aurora Lights, again from BH Cosmetics, again 18 shades, and this was £15.40. Oh my word. This is the one I've been after for ages, and you can see why. They're beautiful. Cannot wait to play with those. Again from BH Cosmetics, this one is the Solar Flare. This one was £11.20. They're all going to be roughly the same sort of formulation as well, but a lot of neutrals there, but warms. I thought those were really pretty. On to two bigger ones from BH Cosmetics, and first one I bought was the Zodiac one, which was £14.70. This one's a 25 colour eyeshadow and highlighter. Look at those. I'll just go a bit closer for you to see. Beautiful. Another one of the same collection is the other Zodiac, and this one is Love Signs. This one was £14.70. I don't know how they price them. I really don't. Oh goodness. Look at these. And then the last palette I brought was the biggest, and it was actually one of the cheapest for the size. The Origin palette. I paid £12.50 for this. £12.50, and there's 42 shades. So you're supposed to be able to make looks using all of the rows. You don't have to, it's just that if you don't know, or if you're just starting out in makeup and you don't really know which goes where, it is an actual, it's like a little map to what you need to do. That is my Beauty Bay order. I will be doing some more hauls in this 12 days of Christmas, and so I hope you've enjoyed my little haul. If you'd like to see more, don't forget, 2 days time I'll be back. If you'd like to see more in the future of me, if I haven't bored you to death, there's a little subscribe button down here. If you click it and click the bell every time I upload, you'll be notified. That would be amazing if you could do that. And don't forget to give us a like as well. See you soon. Love you loads. Bye.